Hi, and welcome to presentation Protrix. Today we are going to see how to create a zoom animation in PowerPoint. So today we are going to see like this. We have one map, and when I want to focus on one continent or a specific area, I will just click here, and you can see it is bordering it, and it has become bigger. So over here, from here, I can just take a map image. So for this, I will be needing two images of the same copy. So I will just put map. So this time I will take this. So over here you can see I will just copy paste this with the same area, and then I am just selecting the area which you want to show or focus on. This time I will take the focus on India. Okay, so over here shape outline, I will increase the weight. No, shape outline is black. So here you can see I will keep a focus, and after that with the same area we have to crop with aspect ratio of 1:1 for circle, and accordingly you can select the shape. I'm using circle. Hold the shift button down and drag it over all here. Okay, you have to do this again. So over here you can see I had marked the area down, so that's why it's properly visible. Okay. Yeah, so the rest it's all right because I'm not going into much detail here. You have to group it over here and paste. So animation, first of all, it has to appear over here, and I have to add animation of oh, not it is not that one. It is uh, grow and shrink. So it is keeping an impact over here. So I will just bring it little down. Okay, so this I want the second to start on after previous, and over here let's say I pointed out India. Make it big, center, and over here. That's it. So over here. So you can see here it has come. So on and click it comes, or actually I want to show it like animation. It does not start over the second one on click. So here you can see I am bordering it. You can use a specific animation to show that. The animation can be one of uh which is wipe animation, so that is also a better one. So yeah, I want to show pinpoint India instead of just using my pointer or a pen like this. I will just point out. The thing I can do is, okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I want to show India. So first of all, this will come, and then it will get little bigger. You can animate its size, the max size you want to make it to or show. You can make it even huge, but I'm keeping it large. And how you want it, horizontal, vertical, both, you can decide upon you. So only this much for this video. Thanks for watching. Presentation Protrix.